Going to be a quick Bitcoin update along with our active trades. So of course, all this information I mentioned on the live stream today, we won't go over that just to save time. Right now, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. And for this current extension leg or move up, I would like to see a retracement anytime now. We did have a retracement here. We went over that in the live stream. Price continues to go up. If we do pull back here, we would look at about this level, 382 for a retracement, right on 107.343. If it pulls back further, which I would like to see, then we're looking at potentially, let's go and make this right here, 106.952. I don't think it'll pull back further than this, but these are the two areas that I'm looking at. Now, if we do pull back, I would expect the price of our alts that we're in to also retrace. However, right now they do have a lot of steam left in, so that's really good. Hopefully we can go up further before we do retrace so we can add to our entries if you haven't already added to the entries. Do I see anything else here? Not really. One thing that we do not want is we do not want the break of this level right here. If we break this level down here, then there's a really good chance that we could start potentially looking for shorts, in addition to also closing out our trades, or at least some positions. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put an alert. I'll put an alert right here, just to let me know that we are coming down. So we're going to set alert, and then set alert here. And then for this one, I'm going to go ahead and change this color so that we can easily identify it to a yellow. So the alert is set at 107.490. If the alert goes off, it's just to let me know that I'm looking for a bounce. If we don't get the bounce, I'll keep on watching it to see, how far we drop. Let's go and look at Fart coin. We're in this coin. We entered the coin here. I was thinking we're going to pull back to around this level, which would have been a really nice retracement. It did pull back, however, not to the point where I was thinking. And I strongly recommend use the retracement tool and also the magnet tool here from the absolute bottom to the top. And this would have been the 0.5 level. Instead, it only pulled back just beyond the 236 level before continuing up. So as it's coming down, we're waiting for the bounce so we can add to the entry. Price starts coming up. Since it's really close to this level and this level, we'll just wait. Breaks above this, we can add to our entry here. That's how we add to our entries. And then now we're just waiting to see if it comes up, comes down again, and then does a higher high, or potentially goes to attack this level, to attack this level. So this is what I'm pretty much explaining. Where the price comes up, and then when it does retrace, does it stop here and pivot up to attack this? Or does it roll over to attack this level? So start attacking this level and then coming down. And now we're just waiting to see where it could potentially bounce. Same thing with Cookie. This one just absolutely took off. Man, I'm really surprised on this one. I was expecting, hopefully, that we can get a pullback here so that it's nice and strong. So if you saw today's live stream, Darren Does Things, DDT, pretty much his thought process was, if we just go straight up, it's okay. For me, it's completely opposite. I don't like straight up because, well, for example, here, we go straight up. Then when we do start coming down, we come down pretty fast. And then here we try it again. And now I'm looking for this to pull back to around here. So we can do our decision point, come up here to attack this, or roll over to attack this level, to attack all of this and all of this. Sure enough, pulled back all the way. This is why I don't like when they go straight up. This is a perfect example. Here, straight up. So if we do retrace, which I hope we do very soon, I do hope that we retrace to about this level, 382, which is around 0.2437. Or if we pull back to the 0.5 level, I'm looking at around 0.2380. If we pull back further, I mean, it's okay, but I don't want to see it break below the 618 because that's the danger zone. And then we could just continue just to roll over. So here I was thinking we're going to pull back. We didn't. We came up. So now this is invalid because we went straight up. Now I'm looking for something like this. And it's okay if we do a lower high, which is fine, because now we hopefully do a higher low. And this will be right into this kind of pocket, 382, 0.5, before breaking up. And if you're looking at adding to this entry, well, you can try to do it on a 15-minute time frame. And what we're looking for is wherever it's going to start bouncing, hopefully here, here, or here. And on the 15-minute time frame, same thing. We want to see a pivot, a retracement, and then the break of that pivot. Next one is hype. This one was perfect. We entered here underneath resistance, knowing that we could pull back. But because the market was really good at the moment, I'm thinking that we're going to come up. I thought to here, pull back, bounce here, and then break out of this level. Here we went up, pulled back. Now, if you wanted to, this is the 15-minute time frame. If you wanted to, you could have added here, which is higher risk, or just wait till the break of this. Now, this yellow line is a trend line. This is a trend line from this right here. And let's see, this needs to be tighter. So magnet tool, it doesn't do it. So let me go here to snap in place. And then here, snap in place. Now, what I also recommend, instead of you having to drag it out, you can delete this one and then just use the ray tool that has the 2 dots on it, which is right over here. It's right here with the 2 dots. So you would click on, let me go zoom out a little bit. Ray tool. So we go here to the very top of the wick. That way there's no bias. You're not adjusting it to make it fit whatever you're trying to do. So we did enter and it broke this. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, kind of zoom in. And we can see it broke out. Tried to retest on it, couldn't do it, bounced here. Once it broke this level, then this is when we can add to our entry. And now it looks like it's pulling back. For this one, I would like to see this again, 15-minute time frame, to come down to about a 382, maybe the 0.5, to maybe do a lower high, higher low, attack this level to attack this level, continue up. If it does pull back, I do not want to see it break this level. If it breaks this level, this is our warning. And let's go ahead and just set alert. And for this one, I'm just going to put warning. And this is so that we might need to adjust our thought process on this one and potentially move up our stop loss, potentially take profit, but we don't want it breaking this level. So this one is the only one that kind of concerns me a little bit, but I am looking for a bounce in this level. For cookie, this has a lot of room to pull back and bounce because there's no pivots really. And then for fart coin, for this one, same thing. If we do pull back, it's fine. I would like to see same thing. Let's get this. Let's move this up here. Make sure my mag tool is on. Let's get this and pull it here. And so the first one that we did, that was one scenario. The next scenario is this move right here for this current. We can pull back to the 382 or the 0.5. Let's go ahead and make the levels so we can see it. So 382, I would expect it to pull back to maybe here. Let's go ahead and change this one to blues. 1.1523 or potentially right here, 1.1403. If it breaks below, once again, into the golden pocket, it's fine. One thing that I do not want is I do not want the price to break this level. So I don't want the price to break below this low. If it does, then we may have to move up our stop loss. And here's a really strong level as well. So we may have to move up our stop loss. So for this one, same thing. I'm going to put on this one warning. Warning. And then there we go. So my alerts are set. And then now we just wait. We let our trades ride. We only have 3 right now. We could enter more, but let's just do 3 and hopefully they work out. Right now, we're still waiting for Bitcoin to potentially pull back. I'm thinking maybe because we're so close to the all-time high, we might do an all-time high this week, but we'll see. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, make sure to put this in the VIP chat. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Of course, if you want me to review your charts, please post that in the VIP chat, and also tag me, trade_intuition, and just ask, hey, Joe, can you check out my chart? Make sure to have all the information on there. I strongly recommend using the path tool to show me exactly what you think might happen, in addition to any alerts, targets, stop losses, everything else. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.